Ever wondered if you need a supercomputer just to manage your crypto? Or maybe you're thinking about diving into the world of confidential transactions with Beam, but you're not sure if your current setup can handle it. Well, you're not alone. Many people new to the crypto space, or even seasoned veterans looking at new platforms, often have questions about the technical hurdles. And when it comes to a privacy-focused blockchain like Beam, with its unique Mimblewimble protocol, it's only natural to wonder about the system requirements for its wallet. Beam stands out for its emphasis on privacy and scalability, allowing for confidential transactions where sender, receiver, and transaction amounts are hidden. It's a powerful tool for those who prioritize financial anonymity. So, let's break down exactly what you'll need to run the Beam wallet smoothly, whether you're a casual user or looking to engage more deeply with the ecosystem. First, let's talk about the desktop wallet. The Beam desktop application is the most comprehensive way to interact with the Beam network. For Windows users, you'll need at least MS Windows 7 or higher. On the Mac side, it's Mac OS X 10.9 or higher. For both, an Intel i3 2.0 GHz CPU or faster is recommended, along with a minimum of 2 GB of RAM. While 2 GB is the stated minimum, a smoother experience, especially when synchronizing with the blockchain, will benefit from more RAM, ideally 5 GB. Storage-wise, you'll need at least 10 GB of free disk space, and keep in mind that the blockchain size increases over time, so having some extra room is always a good idea. A DirectX 9 compatible graphics card for Windows or OpenGL 2.0 compatible for Mac is also listed, along with standard peripherals like a mouse and keyboard. A reliable internet connection is crucial for any crypto wallet, and Beam is no exception. They recommend a minimum bandwidth of 1 megabit per second upload and 1 megabit per second download. For the best experience, especially with integrated nodes, a 5 GHz network connection is strongly advised over a 2.4 GHz one. Inadequate system specs can lead to issues like audio problems, reduced mobility within the app, crashes, and non-functioning features. Now, what if you're looking at mobile? The Beam Wallet app is available for both Android and iOS. For Android, you'll generally need Android 7.0, Nougat, or higher. The app size is relatively small, around 20 to 38 megabytes, making it accessible on most modern smartphones. For iOS users, you can find the Beam app on the App Store, and it will require a compatible iOS version, typically the latest few generations. Mobile wallets offer a more lightweight experience, often connecting to remote nodes rather than running a full integrated node, which reduces the local resource demands. Beyond the basic system specifications, there are a few other considerations. For instance, creating a new wallet involves generating and securely recording your seed phrase. This is paramount and should be done offline, ideally with pen and paper. You'll also need to create a strong wallet password. When it comes to node connectivity, the desktop wallet offers options: an integrated node, recommended for better security as it verifies the blockchain automatically, a random remote node, lighter on resources, or a specific remote node if you're running your own. It's also worth noting that Beam is compatible with certain hardware wallets like Trezor, offering an additional layer of security by storing your private keys offline. This is highly recommended for larger holdings. In essence, while Beam offers advanced privacy features, its wallet requirements are quite reasonable for most modern computers and smartphones. You don't need a cutting-edge gaming rig to get started, but ensuring you meet the minimums will provide a smooth and secure experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.